Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today I have ordered myself, or grabbed myself should we say, another wing mirror. Okay, I'm hoping that this is going to be a power folding one. I have had a look underneath and I have seen or checked the product numbers, etc. And it does match up to the one that's in the car, but I got it for a tenner. So is this really a power folding wing mirror for £10? I know it is a bit beat up. That's why I've got this as well. So this is my Forever Black. So I've used it on the Mini if you've watched one of those videos for the actual trims. So that's what I'm going to do on this bit here where it's, meant to be black. It's kind of gone all faded. So I'm going to give this a quick paint up with this. I mean, I could try and deal with some of the scratches and stuff like that, but I'll probably take the cap off of my wing mirror and put it onto this one. So yeah, first things first, let's give this a bit of a clean up with this, and then we'll get to the car and put this wing mirror in, and then fingers crossed, we then have power folding wing mirrors. Even if it doesn't power fold, it's still going to be useful because I know the wing mirror that I've currently got, this isn't in there. So I'm actually having to manually move the glass and move this. So either way, it's going to be an upgrade to what I currently already have. I just really hope it power folds so that when I look. Here's a quick little before then. And we'll get like a little after. Right, so first things first, I need to use some of this cleaner just to make sure that when I put the dye on, it's not going to react or go all funny. So let's just give this a good clean. There we go. Right, let's apply some dye to it then. Hopefully you can still see all of this. There we have it. Not the greatest, just done like one coat all the way over, but at least it does look a lot nicer, sort of, blacked out. As I say, I'm going to change this cap over anyway, so that's why I didn't really care or mask up. So yeah, I just want to now see if this is actually going to work. So instead of me putting 3 coats on this and making this look all nice and then it not work, so let's get this to the car. Right, got all of these screws to undo around here. I think there's 2 T25s, T15. I've got another video on my YouTube that shows how to actually do all of this properly, so I'm just going to quickly get this on. Right, so that is now all loose. I can then just lift from the bottom out and then make sure to disconnect the electric window button. Alright, that one is now off. Let's remove this, just unclips. So that's my tweeter. And then I've got a 10mm that I need to undo here. And as you can see, where's my wires? Where's my wires that then click into here for my wing mirror? How did I not even notice that? So let's get this 10mm out and this wing mirror off. And there we go. Alright, so I'm going to feed this wire through. It basically then clips in, and then I'm just going to stick in that 10mm. Just going to tighten it up a little bit. I don't want it to break. Moment of truth then. Where's my keys? Yeah, boy. Happy days, happy days. Right, now I just need to swap my cap over. There we have it then. Actually, obviously I need to tighten it all up and put the door card back on, but that's so good. That's got to be a deal of the year, £10. Happy with that. Right, okay, so door card all back on, all tight, etc. Close it up. Lock. Yeah, boy. Should show you from the front as well. Both in, both out. Okay, so that is the wing mirrors now all done. That has definitely got to be the deal of the week or century or this year so far. £10 to get that working. Well happy with that. So yeah, the car is slowly getting more and more together, all those little niggly jobs, etc. So yeah, still more to come. So if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. If you've liked this video, then please do hit that like button, and I'll join you on the next one. Bye.